This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and getting set up. Log into your PlayStation account on a browser. This is faster for precision. Once logged in, locate the online ID change page under Account Management and make sure you understand potential impacts on games. Next, copy the invisible Braille blank character, U plus 2800, from a reliable source into your clipboard so you can paste it into the new name field. This is the actual character that acts like a space. You now edit the online ID. Click Edit Online ID and type your desired letters. Where you want a space, paste the U plus 2800 invisible character from your clipboard. Repeat for each gap. Once done, use the preview feature to verify appearance. On screen it should show as separations without visible glyphs. If the site blocks the change, try pasting a single U plus 2800 then saving. Sometimes smaller edits bypass validation. Make sure to read Sony's warning about compatibility before confirming. You finish by confirming the ID change and signing out, then back into your devices so the new name propagates. If the web form rejects U plus 2800, try one alternative invisible character, such as U plus 2003 or U plus 00A0. Sometimes different accounts accept different Unicode blanks. If a specific game shows errors after switching, revert to your previous ID and contact PlayStation support for help. One troubleshooting tip: if the change fails repeatedly, clear browser cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.